Hello everyone, my name is Ranjan. Today we are going to learn the use of definite articles. Articles are of two different types. Definite, which is the, it is used for something specific, and indefinite articles, which are a and n, they are used for things in general. In our previous video, we have already discussed the use of indefinite articles. In this video, we are going to talk about the usage of definite article the. In case if you have missed watching the previous video, the link is given in the description. Please go to it. There are too many rules for the, which becomes very confusing a lot of times. So in this video, we are going to learn the practical usage of the, some easy tricks how you can use them correctly. So as informed earlier, the is used with specific things, not with the things in general. There can be two such type of specifications. One which are naturally specific, the second which are specified by the speaker or the writer. Let's see these sentences. The sun rises in the east. They visited the Taj Mahal. The government is responsible for this. The boy in red shirt is my brother. The pen you had gifted me has been stolen. If you observe these sentences, they are of two different types. The first three are of type 1, which are naturally specific. Like the sun, it is unique already. There is no other sun in our solar system. So we just know one sun, which is specific. The second one, the Taj Mahal, is again unique. It is naturally specific. Now, the third one, the government, is again specific because we are talking about the government of a specific country. Now, the last two sentences, as you see, they belong to the second group, which have been specified by the speaker or the writer. For example, the boy in red shirt is my brother. I'm not talking about a boy in general. I'm talking about a specific boy who is in red shirt. Similarly, in the second sentence, the pen you had gifted me has been stolen. So here I'm not talking about a general pen. I'm talking about the pen that you had gifted me. So I have actually specified it. Let's see in detail how to identify the second type of specification to use the correctly. So situation 1 is when the thing is known to the listener. For example, can you help me with the pen? So I'm talking about a pen which you are aware of. She hadn't sold the house. I'm not talking about a general house. I'm talking about a specific house which is known to you. They have lost the match. Here I'm not talking about an ordinary match. I'm talking about a match that you are aware of. I met a boy yesterday. The boy lives in my colony. Now here if you see, I'm talking about a particular boy which I've already mentioned previously that I have met him yesterday. I lost the pen that you had gifted me. I'm not talking about a general pen, but I'm talking about a pen which you had gifted me. The weather changes frequently here. I'm not talking about any ordinary place's weather, but I'm talking about the weather of a particular place which you're aware of. I was walking in the park. So here, if you see, I am not mentioning any general park, but I intend to talk about a park which is known to you. In all above sentences, as you can see, we have used definite article the because those particular things are known to the listener. Second specification is when we specify the things with the help of superlative forms of adjectives. For example, she is the best candidate in coming elections. So I am actually mentioning superlative degree best, therefore I should use the with it. She is the most beautiful actress in the Bollywood. So here, as you see, most beautiful is in superlative form, therefore I have used the. The greatest issue in India is eradication of poverty. So here also I have used superlative degree of adjective greatest, therefore I have used the. Diamond is the hardest substance on the planet. So here again hardest is the superlative form of adjective. The next specification is specifying something with the help of adjectives. For example, you can board the last train. Here I am not talking about a general train, I am talking about the last train. I have specified it here. She was the first person to report the incidents. Here, the first person. If you see, I'm talking about the person who saw the incidents first and reported it first. The next match will be on Monday. Again, you can see it has been specified with the adjective next. You are the only person who can help me. So here again, we have specified the person with the adjective only. Now the situation 4 is when we specify something with the help of. For example, the students of this class are really very clever. The water of this bottle is cold. As you see, I am not talking about normal water, but I'm talking about the water which is contained in a particular bottle. The women of this city prefer traditional dresses. So I'm talking about the women of a particular city here. The residents of this colony are rich. I'm talking about the residents of a particular colony. Fifth situation is when we specify the things with embedded clause or in some situations with phrases as well. The man who met you yesterday is a politician. I'm not talking about an ordinary man, but I'm talking about a man who has met you yesterday. The book which I'm reading now is awesome. I'm talking about a particular book which I am reading as of now. The day when I met you was the happiest day of my life. Here I'm not talking about an ordinary day, but I'm talking about a particular day when I met you. In case if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about all such future uploads from us. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.